Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought I should come by and give you another video on our business series. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and thank you for viewing my first video. Please do not forget to actually share my video with everyone that you think might benefit from it. Please like, comment and subscribe. After subscribing, you can just hit the bell so that every time I post, you are going to be notified and be one of the first people who get access to the new video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 ideas on how to make money in 2020. As long as you have the skill to actually do this stuff, you can be able to generate money from it. These ideas are ideas that I have noticed that are helping people generate more money. So my number one is fitness. When it comes to fitness, we do have a lot of companies that do affiliate with people, whereby you sell the products in order for you to gain profit from it. Find some others require you to join with a certain joining fee, and some you don't even have to join with money. You just join for free and sign up and start selling the product. You're going to be selling like weight loss tea. You need to actually refer people to that product, knowing exactly what that product is capable of doing for them. People are looking for results, and they are not going to buy a product if it's not going to be producing results. So you need to make sure that you have all the information whenever they want to ask you about the product that you are selling. It doesn't have to necessarily products. You can go on to selling fitness clothing, fitness belts, or devices that you use when you are going to exercise. If you are going to be thinking of selling like gym devices like your waist trainers, your waist belts and whatnot, you just need to make sure that you research and find a supplier that's going to be there through thick and thin and give you high quality product. Our second niche is skincare. Skincare goes a long way. It can be skincare that you make yourself. Like I have decided that I am going to start on a journey of selling skincare products that are organic, and I am going to be doing them myself at home. You can be able to get companies that sell wholesale prices that are wholesale products that are unbranded, and you can brand them yourself and resell them, and that's called branding, whereby you get private companies that already have the formula of the type of skincare products that you want to sell, and actually you can just slap in your logo there and sell the product at a profit that you'll make for you to be able to get a product that will be able to resolve issues and test it yourself just to discover if it's actually working. Yes, there's going to be trial and error, but eventually you are going to get there before you can be able to actually get people to buy your product. The third idea is called digital marketing. So digital marketing is whereby you help brands or companies to actually be able to promote their businesses online. And this can be via Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, YouTube advertising, just so you can get leads, or those leads can lead them to actually gain more people to actually see their products and be able to buy their products. By approaching small businesses and helping them to stabilize themselves online, and helping them with their advertising strategy online, so that you can generate them more clients, so that the business can grow and you can charge those businesses for the type of a service. There's an app called Udemy, whereby you can access courses at a very small price, whereby they do actually train you step by step on how to do digital marketing. 4, it's beauty. Anything that has to do with beauty, as long as you find your niche. When it comes to beauty, you can be a beauty influencer. you can be a beauty YouTuber. Be it you decide to do beauty and focus on skincare, or you do beauty and focus on doing hair, or you can do beauty and focus on doing makeup. It's solely up to you. Or you can even go to an extent of selling makeup, or you can start a YouTube channel whereby, as we have seen with most people, you review brands, you give your opinion on the brands, you use the products, you review them, and you give people just information on that brand or on those products. Same applies with, you can become a skincare influencer, and there's a lot that goes into influencing. Have the skill to actually persuade people that, you know what, you can buy this bottle of Tupperware and it's going to do wonders for you. Then why not make money from it? My fifth option is hair care products. Hair care products, it can be that you make them yourself, or you can get a supplier, maybe from China or the US, to actually ship products to you, and you can be able to resell them. So there's a lot that you can incorporate. Make it your brand. You can actually develop money-making habits from actually selling something that's yours, so you can make your own hair products. Investigate or research formulas on how to make handmade hair care products at home, and find out what path to actually follow. We do know that there are regulations that we need to follow when it comes to making cosmetics and so forth, just like any business in South Africa actually, but it's a step-by-step process. The minute you do know that you want to do anything that has to do with hair care, you can actually take a pen and paper, sit down, write your ideas. You can even go to an extent of creating products for people. If you have a skill of doing braids, for people that you normally do braids on, help them with keeping their hair healthy. Sixth option to making money in 2020, when you are at home or as a side hustle, pressed on nails. We know that since it's locked down, we can't go to nail parlors and do our acrylic nails as usual, or our gel nails, or actually, but there is a niche whereby people who will do press on nails. Like, you get a nail that you can just stick onto your finger. It's already done with all the bling and whatnot, customized to your liking, and you can wear them. You can stick them for a very long time, take them off, and you can reuse them. On nails are the in thing in 2020. You can sell it to people, because some of us will be working and we do not have the time to actually take care of our nails. But at times when you're going out, you do want to look snatched, sis, with all the coffin nails and whatnot. So I would appreciate a pair of pressed on nails that I can wear on a day out and come back and take it off and reuse it whenever I want to use. You can have different sets for different occasions. So yeah, pressed on nails are the in thing. Seventh option is selling lashes. Okay, we do know that there are lashes out there. We buy them from Chinatown for 20 rands, for 15 bucks, and so on. 3D, yeah. But did you know that you can resell lashes and make them yours by getting a supplier wherever, be it it's in China or Asia or wherever you can get a supplier. Get them to do lashes that are for people of your kind. Maybe if you are a natural person who doesn't like long pretty lashes, you want something short, something relevant, everyday look, you can actually start a lash line whereby you'll design your own lashes and you'll design your own package for the lashes, so that way you can own them. You slap your name or logo onto it, sis, and it becomes legally yours, and you can resell it to people who like to be in things like me. And if you're looking for suppliers, you can actually comment down below, or you can slide a DM or an inbox on my social media. We can talk, because I do have like a long list of contacts whereby you can get lashes, clothing, hair, packaging and whatnot, depending on the niche that you decide to go for. We come to hair. Same applies with hair, guys. That's my number 8. With hair, you have to actually realize that we're looking for good quality hair, but it has to be affordable. So you need to find a vendor that you can be able to get wholesale prices, and you can be able to resell them at an affordable price. We do know that hair in South Africa, it's very expensive. Find your niche within that hair business so that you can target certain people or a certain group of people to actually create your own tribe and get people who are going to be loyal to your brand. How about you come with your own hairline, whereby you specifically say, no, I'm a company that sells hair, but we specialize in pixies, different styles of pixie hair, be it colored, black, ombre, whatever, so that no one will actually come to you looking for lunches, knowing that you sell pixie hair, virgin hair or wigs or whatever. Branding becomes the first and foremost important thing. You research, you brand yourself so that you can be outstanding. There's a lot of competition out there, so people need to be able to identify what is yours, and you need to be specific about the type of people that you are targeting, about the type of people that you want to deliver the service to. Number 9, that is web design. Web design goes with, if you know that you have a skill and you are able to design websites, all of those stuff, do business cards, design flyers. If you see that sis has a business but she doesn't have a website, how about you offer her your services? I can help you create your own website where people can actually buy your products on a website, and you can charge them money for actually creating a website for them. So professional to actually see even a small business having a website, whereby if I want to purchase something from you, I don't have to DM that account and wait for them to respond after 48 hours of waiting for a response. So a website is actually a go-to online store where I can just go onto the product that I see appealing to me, add it to cart and check out, and they can just deliver to me in time, no hassles, and it makes life easy. With design business cards for people, flyers, reality is you can charge people for a skill. You are going to be sitting your long hours and putting in effort, so people need to pay you for that labor, even though it's a skill, but in return you are laboring for them. And last but not least, virtual assistants. That's number 10. Virtual assistant is a person who is actually like an online personal assistant or receptionist or whatever for a certain brand or a certain company or a certain business, whereby they are going to be responding to your emails, responding to the comments in the comment section, managing your social media, WhatsApp and whatnot, and communicating with your client. So that's what a virtual assistant does. It's someone who actually assists you with communication basis when you are a business or a brand or a company. So they can charge you a certain amount for actually doing that for you, answering your email, replying to comments, and replying to phone calls or WhatsApp messages and whatnot, because I know it can get a bit overwhelming, especially when your business is expanding and growing. You cannot do everything for yourself, so you are going to need the assistance. So guys, that is actually all from me for today. That is all from me, guys. I hope to see you on my next video, and stay safe.